Hey guys, welcome. This is Jamaican version with Big Papa, and with it we play international version, then we play the Jamaican version. Today I'm gonna be doing two songs. I wanted to do three songs really. I wanted to do Lionel Richie, Lady, and Kenny Rogers Lady, also with the Jamaican version by Richie Stevens Lady. But I found a version of this song. Both Lionel and Kenny, they were at a concert and they did the song together. So I guess I'm going to be playing because I love watching this video. It's a nice video.